Now the Chief Justice.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear.
I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear.
That I will faithfully execute.
That I will faithfully execute.
The office of President of the United States.
The office of President of the United States.
And will, to the best of my ability.
And will, to the best of my ability.
Preserve, protect, and defend.
Preserve, protect, and defend.
The Constitution of the United States.
The Constitution of the United States.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Mr. President.
And now we have the 47th President of the United States, President Donald Trump, only the second president in history to serve non-consecutive terms, sworn in on the Bible given to him by his mother and the Lincoln Bible. Congratulated by his family and friends.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।